Both count and non-count nouns can be quantified. That is, they can be used with expressions which divide them into parts or groups which can be counted. For example, 2 apples, 2 bags of apples. Count, non-count nouns. Count nouns have 2 forms, singular and plural. They can be used with numbers and quantifying expressions such as many, several, and few. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, several potatoes, few potatoes. When used as subjects in present tense sentences, count nouns require the S form of the verb in the singular and the base form of the verb in the plural. The dog sleeps. The dogs sleep. The bear has large claws. Non-count nouns have only one form when used as subjects in present tense sentences. Non-count nouns require the S form of the verb. Juice contains many vitamins. Honesty is the best policy. Some nouns can be either count or non-count. Job experience is essential. Some experiences can be funny. Milk contains calcium. 2 milks, please. Both count and non-count nouns can be quantified. That is, they can be used with expressions which divide them into parts or groups which can be counted. For example, 2 apples, 2 bags of apples, 1 cookie, a box of cookies, milk, 2 cartons of milk, sugar, a cup of sugar. Sometimes, a non-count noun is used to indicate a group of items, whereas individual items within the group are countable. For example, non-count, money, count, dollars, bills, fives, cents, dimes, coins. Non-count, time, count, years, months, days, hours, minutes. Non-count, clothing, count, dresses, pants, shirts, socks, shoes. Non-count, furniture, count, tables, chairs, sofas, lamps. Non-count, luggage, count, suitcases, briefcases, bags, carry-ons.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.